guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Nancy from NancyBadillo.com, and welcome to another episode of Etsy Lingo for Etsy sellers. So today I wanted to briefly discuss what is a meta description. And meta description doesn't have weight on SEO. However, it does have an impact on whether a potential buyer, when they find your Etsy listing on any search engine, whether it is Google, Bing, or Yahoo, if they are going to click on the actual listing or if they're not going to click on the actual listing. And the meta description, how it works is simply Google takes the first 160 characters of your listing, and that is the description that the potential customer will see on the search engine. So that's why it's important that when you are creating a listing, you do SEO on-page factors. And what that means is that you have your keyword in your title, the primary keywords. You have your keyword in your listing description on the top 160 characters, that you sprinkle the keyword throughout your listing description, and that you're using all 13 keywords on the bottom as well. And what you want to do is that you want to write a enticing meta description where when the potential customer is reading it, they are enticed and encouraged to click to your page. And you have to do all of this with 160 characters or less. And this is how your meta description looks when somebody finds you in the search engine. So let's go to it right now. So this is my meta description for this particular listing here. So if somebody was to find me on the search results, this is what they see. They see the title, they see the Etsy listing, right, where it comes from, the link, and then they see a short description of my product. So right here, you should always put your main keyword in your title, which is right there, logo. And then I also have it in the meta description. And this is how Google or any search engine knows, oh, that page is about logos, or that page is about mugs, or that page is about t-shirts. If you don't put the keywords and you don't do the on-page SEO factor, then Google doesn't know how to understand what your page is about or what you're selling. So your page ranking won't be as high as someone that clearly defines this page is for logos, and they have it on the title, they have it on the meta description, they have it throughout the whole listing, and they also use it as the main keyword. So it's very important that every time you do a listing, you create a short snippet of why they should buy your product and why they should click on it. It should be very enticing and compelling, and this will definitely, one, increase your traffic organically, two, drive more traffic to your shop, and three, when the person is reading it, it's easy to read, they understand what they're buying, and it will build credibility and trust. So I hope that today you learned something new. You learned how the search engine pulls information from your page, like little snippets, and shows it to a potential customer. So hopefully this will give you a better idea of how to create a better listing description for every listing that you currently have. So I suggest that if you have not done this in the past, I suggest that you go in all your listings and create a little snippet on every listing, because it is worth taking the time and doing it. Thank you again, guys, for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. And have a wonderful day, guys. Thank you.